Professor K.S. Krishnamurti invented, he is the inventor of KP Astrology. KP Astrology is Krishnamurti Paddhati astrology system. It is well known for its event accuracy. Okay, prediction accuracy. And it follows the Vimshottari Dasha system. There are Udu Mahadasa, there is Kalchakra Dasa, Chara Dasa. None of that is important. It follows the Vimshottari Mahadasa system, which is why it's able to provide the precise timing of the event also. Okay. What is this astrology? What are the pillars of this? There are essentially five pillars that we talk about of this astrological system. The first pillar is there are nine grahas. The nine grahas are Sun, Mercury, Venus, Moon, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. These are the nine grahas. For want of a better word, we are going to use the word planets. But you see, Sun is not a planet, Rahu, Ketu are not planets, Moon is not a planet from a scientific perspective. So, but there is no other word that represents graha in English. So therefore, we are going to just use the word planets to denote grahas. When I say planets in today's class, I'm actually talking about the nine grahas. So remember that. They have their magnetic characteristics. For instance, Sun is a brave planet. Okay. Mercury is intelligent planet. Venus is romance related. Moon is a creative planet. Mars is a courageous planet. Jupiter is a wise planet. Saturn provides us with longevity. Rahu is an illusionary planet. Ketu, a materialistic planet also. Ketu is a jnana karaka, gives you wisdom. So each planet talks about different magnetic characteristics, and we will learn about that today. Okay, right. This is the first pillar. The nine grahas are the first pillar. Sun is the largest graha because it is about 19 lakh times larger than the planet Earth. Okay, so therefore it is the largest graha in the solar system, and it is the center around which